All right, y'all, there we go. Getting some nice rain in. Okay. We're getting a little test of a little taste of the rainy season that'll be coming in June. Sometimes it started early in May. Last year it started in May, went all the way through August. Had a long rainy season last year. I think it was about 4 months, but normally it's 2 months. Last year that thing went 4 months. It started early and ended late. But all praise to Yahuwah. Anyhow, yeah, definitely helps the vegetation. No good. It don't help the construction, but it definitely helped the vegetation. All righty, y'all. All righty. See what Kwame and Solomon and Willie doing over there. Raining, so they all eating. So we got our master electrician in the middle, Solomon. Got our master mason to the left. We got Kwame. He's a mixture of everything. He learning all the skills. He's our laborer, but he learning all the skills. And he one of our lead workers as well. All right, y'all. Shalom. The rain done picked up. Got a little more heavier. So here over here, electrician started yesterday, digging, running the pipe. Now, Ajawa Ampama the first, aka Kezia, her international papa fan. They're ready to go pick up the wires. So the electrician can run the wire through the pipe that he just put down, get it ready for the gate that'll be put over here. So I used to go out there all the time. So now I say, hey, I'm getting you more involved. You said you want to be involved, so I got Nana Ajwa Ampama the first, aka Kezia. You go picking up supplies now. All right, y'all. All right. Shalom, shalom. Another beautiful day in Ghana. All praise to Yahuwah.